Good morning. Today we have a PlayStation 5. It's one of the new or the newest model PlayStations, and it has a bad HDMI. It is chipped on one side, and so we are going to fix that. We're going to replace that HDMI, and we're going to see that chip there. Right there. So we're going to fix it real quick, and I've already disassembled the unit as usual, taking it apart. But this is, I decided to make this video because it's just one of those new PlayStation 5s. I think it has a little extra component here, like a resistor and so maybe a capacitor, a diode. And so we're going to keep it very simple, very fast. I'm going to start by applying some Kapton tape on the small components there. 1 second. Okay, so we have the Kapton tape in place. We're going to go ahead and proceed. We're going to go ahead and heat up the board a little bit and remove that HDMI. Board is out. Just two pumps on that thing, and the solder is out. So now carefully we get to flip the board. I'm going to turn on the fume extractor so there will be some noise. Apply a little bit of flux. I'll try to zoom in the camera a little more. Okay. Very good. So now we're getting a brand new HDMI port. And put it in place. I'm just trying to be careful with that small capacitor that's that side. Put a little more flux on that bridge. Now we need to clean up those bridges there. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let's test the pins real quick. These middle ones need some fixing. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to try to zoom in for you guys so you guys can see maybe a bit more detail. Okay, so far so good. Turn it over, and now we just fix the underneath side of the main ground pins. And I do that with a little bit of flux and some more solder. And maybe we can get a little more heat in here. Like this. That looks pretty good. Pins are solid on the other side. Solder came through, as you can see there. and on this side as well. So things look pretty good. Let me yank it a little bit, maybe pull it back a little bit. It's a little hot, but it's pretty good. That's the way. And if anything, if you guys have any suspicion that it's not soldered all the way, you can always come in through here and add a little more solder. We'll do that right now on that side just to make sure that it's nice and solid. So there. Now for sure it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. The other side looks good, so we're not going to do anything on that side. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that like button. We'll see you guys again next time. By the way, you can visit our website on wayayeo.org. That's wayayeo.org. You can find this and other services and fast repairs, okay? Quality repairs. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.